welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Miss Tamika. I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday, and then I also throw in bonus videos throughout the week. And with that being said, you all, I am here to share a Louis Vuitton bag review. If you're here for the bag review, then you know what you need to do. You need to go ahead and click on that subscribe button, you all, because it really helps out my channel. And with that being said, you all, let's jump straight into this here video. The reason for this here video is because I pulled out my Louis Vuitton bum bag, you all. I've been wearing her as much as I thought I was going to wear her. But to bring her out yesterday because I was out and about and I wanted to be like hands-free. I wanted to be hands-free and cute at the same time. So I pulled out my Louis Vuitton bum bag, you all. You see the leather did darken a lot, you all. And I do wear this crossbody like so. So this is how I usually wear the bag. I was like, oh, let me get on here and share a really quick update on this here bag. Out to my oh gosh, how I get these scratches on here like that? To switch out into my to move into my Speedy bandolier, y'all. I did pull her out and I put her back, so now I'm gonna pull her out again because I've been seeing everybody with these here Speedies. And the reason why I go back and forth with my Speedy, because I do have the Speedy 30. At first, sometimes I feel like it's too big, and then I feel like it's okay. So I was like, let me pull her out, and I decided to bedazzle her because that's the big trend here on YouTube with the Speedy bags. So I was like, let me pull her out because I did hear that they came out with a new Speedy 30 that's like little dangling things across it, hanging from it. And I heard that bag was almost like $4,000 and it's canvas. And I think the inside is leather. And I'm like, okay, no. So we gonna go ahead and pull out my oldie but goodie. This here is an old Speedy, y'all. As you can see, it's not the new version because the new versions of Speedies, this part in the inside has like a zipper pocket. So here I just have this here patch pocket, and I think this one still has the date code if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, so this one has the date code. So I want to say this was back in 2013. An SD, I think, means it was made in the United States. But yeah, I think 0113. So y'all know my son was 13 years old when I had this bag, and he's now 25. So this here is an old Speedy, but it still looks good to me. As you can see, the handles did darken a lot. I did get the one with the strap. So any handheld bag for me, after a while I get tired of carrying it, okay? So yeah, I just wanted to show you this is what I'll be moving into. Just wanted to share with you a really quick update. So as you can see, the bag is still in excellent condition. I was a little worried about the strap getting dirty, but as you can see, the strap still looks really good. And I'm not sure if it still look good because I haven't been wearing this bag constantly. Because when I'm at work, and you know, you want to constantly take it on and off every day. So I only opt to wear this bag like when I'm out and about and want to be hands-free. Today I plan to go out. So again, I'm going to grab my Speedy because I think I want to vlog while I'm out today. Here I just have a little bit of stuff because y'all know, if y'all don't know, a few weeks after I purchased this bag, y'all, I had got a stain in this hair bag, and it was my fault, so that's why I wasn't really tripping. And the placement of the stain, you really can't see it unless you really like open the bag. And I know down the line I'm not looking to sell this bag, so that's why I was okay with it. But moving forward, when I put lip products in here, I make sure I put it in something, because one of these lip glosses had leaked and it messed the inside of my bag up. Like, I tried to clean it, you all. I tried to use baking soda or baking powder, one of them. I tried to use stain, shot out. Like, I tried everything and it just did not come out. And I wasn't going to take it to a Louis Vuitton store because I'm sure to replace it, it would have been expensive. So I was just like, it is what it is. I do give up the bag, it would be passed down to my daughter. So I have in the bag, I have this here hand sanitizer, lotion. It reminds you of the Glossier lotion from Glossier, but I got mine from the Five and Below. A Chanel card case, y'all. When I tell you I love my Chanel card case, I do miss the squishy one, but I didn't want to get two squishies. Like, I already have the first one that I had, so I wanted this one to be different. So maybe next year for my birthday I'll probably get a different color. I don't know. But yeah, y'all, I love my Chanel card case. A Lawless lip product that we got in gratis. I have some gum that I need to refill. A hair clip. So here's the stain, y'all. Like I said, the stain is right here. I'm not sure if you can see it. So yeah, here's the stain. So that's why I said I'm not really tripping too much, because the placement of the stain is not like, you will see it if I show you the stain. So it's not like outside. Now if it was on the outside of the bag, of course I would have had to figure something out, because who wants to walk around with Louis Vuitton and this stain? Like, if this got damaged, yeah, I would have been highly upset. But like I said, the placement of this hair stain is not in a bad place. Now this hair, and then here on the back you have a zipper pocket. So like I said, when was the last time I carried this bag? Because it'll show on this here receipt. Wow, is that right? It says 11/9/23. Okay, so here's the inside of the bag, the back pocket. Like I said, the back pocket is really deep. This is where I usually keep my cell phone at when I'm carrying this here bag, because it's easy to get in and out. It's easy to grab. Zipper. Now how that happened, I couldn't tell you, because I feel like this zipper was more so protected because it's against the body. Like, this one is more exposed and this one is not as damaged as the one in the back. So, but like I said again, I'm not tripping because it always stays against my body. You won't know unless I show you, but I just noticed it. I just noticed it today and I'm like, damn, how is this zipper looking like this? It looks really damaged. But yeah, I don't know how that happened, you all. I don't know. Plan to, like I said, switch the bag out. Like, here's the information regarding this hair bag. It's the high-rise bum bag. They did come out with a leather version of this hair bag. I saw it on the website. But like I said, I haven't been really stalking Louis Vuitton for any bags, y'all, because the prices of the canvas bags are outrageous to me. Like I said, I'm that girl that I've been purchasing Louis Vuitton for a very long time, for over 10 years on and off. And back when I was heavy into Louis Vuitton, it was still pricey, but it's not as pricey as it is now. Like, when I was purchasing my bags, they were like, all my bags, majority of my bags were under $2,000. All the bags except for maybe one or two is still under the 2,000 mark, but a lot of them reached over the 2,000 mark. And I'm just like, I love you, Louis Vuitton, but I think I have reached my limit to how much I would spend on a canvas bag. Now, I did sell my Louis Vuitton leather bag because I had that one issue and I just panicked and I was just like, okay, I can't keep a bag like this. I'm gonna get rid of it. Do I regret selling it? No. But I do wish I would have replaced it with another leather bag. But other than that, y'all, the prices to me are just outrageous. So right now there's no bag in my future, but like I said, I'm a woman that can always change. I will say I have been looking at little leather, small leather goods. I wish Louis Vuitton would come out with more like pouches, you know, that weren't so expensive, like, you know, like cute little bag pouches, because I'm a sucker for a cute pouch. Come out with the smaller version of the toiletry where you could purchase by itself instead of the whole set, because I think I have one size. I don't have the biggest size, I have the medium size, and then they used to have like they do still have it, but you just can't buy it. You just can't buy it by itself. You have to buy it in a set, and I don't want to buy the set because I already have one piece, and I'll never really get no use out of the bigger piece. So I've been looking on the Louis Vuitton website like I used to, because it was at one point in time I was always going to Lenox Mall to go visit Louis Vuitton to see what they had into it like I used to. Like I said, it probably, you know how you go through a phase where you into something and then you like, okay, moving on to the next. That's kind of me right now. I get bored with things, and I will say I am truly happy with my collection. Like, I love everything that I have in my collection. Far as my Louis Vuitton bags, brands to send me things, and then just to see how the dupes look compared to the original, I'm like, they looking spot on. Like, and I'm up here spending all this money, and here, you know, like, I wouldn't use my own money to purchase those type of bags, but of course if they reach out and want me to review a bag, like, why not? You know, some people, I get it, like, it's not everybody's cup of tea, and I'm okay with that. But for me, I'm just having fun with the unboxings because, like I said, I never knew how different the bags look versus what they used to look like back in the day. Like, on about that, like, I was just floored on some of the items that I was sent, and I'm just like, this look exactly like what's in the store. And like, you know, if I was able to afford a bag, I probably, like I said, would purchase a leather bag. But God willing, my daughter graduates this year, so I'm gonna travel more. You know, like, we have to take care of this here graduation. So like I said, right now my priorities is that versus a bag. Because I had fun when I did, and that's why I say I was just living in the moment. Because back then I really didn't have any big responsibilities at the time, so I was able to, you know, treat myself, enjoy myself the way I did. But like, I really shifted for me. Like, the economy has changed, everything is going up. Shit, eggs is like $20-something. So realistically, it's like, okay, Tamika, do you take $2,000 and $3,000 to drop and buy a bag, or do you take care of what's important? Not saying back then I wasn't taking care of my business, but my expenses, I had extra money to do things versus now. Or the braces, graduation, and you know, things like that. And like I said, I want to travel more. I'm not looking to buy pre-love because, like I said, it's nothing that I want really bad at the moment. Like I said, don't lie, I was looking at some Louis Vuitton Speedies because I do like the 20. But I was like, Tamika, use what you got. So what I Speedy back out, and here she go. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just put my card case in here, my hand sanitizer. Y'all, I have these here new e.l.f. lip glosses, y'all. When I tell you, hands down, my absolute favorite glosses at the moment, y'all. And I got these here from Ulta. They are so good, y'all. Like, so good. One of my pouches that I carry, but I can't carry this to work because you allow 5 things, and as you can see, this is full. This is how I used to carry my cosmetic pouches, and now working at Sephora has taken it away because I have too much makeup to just carry like 5 items. Like, I'm gonna be honest, I do. Well, follow the rules when you work in retail. That's just a Sephora thing or what. Like, I get it. I get the Sephora products, but I feel like if it's not a Sephora product, like, why should it matter, you know? too much stuff in my collection to only bring 5 things. Like, look at this. This is what I carry in my bag, and I leave it in my car. I like to do my lip in the car before I go in because I drink coffee on my way to work. And this is what I carry as lip products because I just can't do just one. So here, bag full of my purse stuff because, like I said, I was using small bags, but I don't know, I can do a small bag, but I'm just really, y'all, at the end of the day, a big girl bag. So here is my Fenty mirror. Here is my new my newest purchase. These here toilet seat covers, I'm so glad I invested in these because, y'all, I'm too old to be squatting. Like, I was that girl that could squat and go potty, but now I gotta sit my ass down, okay? Like, we can't bring this to work. This is too much stuff. It's like, how can you narrow it down to 5 things? Like, pimple patches. I forgot I had this. I'm gonna put this on my bag too. Look at my babies. And my pimple patches, y'all. I really haven't had to use these as much, but a lot of my Sephora friends be like, Miss Tamika, you got a pimple patch? I'm like, I sure do. I sure do. Then I have this here card case that was sent to me, so I'm going to put that in here. Another item we got from the Sephora gratis. I have my Chanel card case, y'all. I love this here Chanel. I have my Chanel pouch. Yeah, I love my Chanel pouch. Now, I did get this pre-loved because I wanted something from Chanel. I already know this is my absolute favorite. So I'm going to put that in here. So I'm not going to put too much stuff in here because, like I said, I don't want it to be heavy. So this is what I have in here at the moment. And then I have my gum. So this one here, I know a lot of people were buying base shapers. I didn't care for a base shaper. I like my bags to be slouchy. So here's the inside. I probably could fix it a lot better. But the bag with the little cute charms on it. So here is my bag. And like I said, when I get tired of carrying her, I will use the strap. I tell you, this strap has saved my life. I'm going to get on here and switch out my bag and do a quick little review. I think I probably talked about this one a little more than the other bag. But I'm about to go out. Not sure what I'm going to do. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. I have 4 days off, y'all. And when I tell you I'm enjoying myself, y'all, I got one more day. And then the day I go in at 2. So I get to sleep late. So I'm saying that to say, y'all, I'm enjoying myself, okay? Like, I'm really enjoying myself. And I'm so thankful that I get that me time, you know? Because working retail is a lot, you all. Like, I ain't gonna hold you. It's a lot downs. But I love makeup, okay? It's like me working at a candy store, okay? So, you know, nothing is perfect. You know, you make it do what it do. So with that being said, if you enjoyed this here video, give this video a big thumbs up, you all, because it really helps out my channel. And also, before you go, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and that notification bell so you could be notified each week. That's right, each week your girl uploads videos. Next time, I will talk to you later. Mwah.